I'm just to the south of the Saskatchewan border in far northern North Dakota, and right over Noonan there's a severe thunderstorm. You can see the base of that storm right here. Here you can see the rain and the hail shaft. This storm has a severe thunderstorm warning, but it does look like it's a little bit elevated above a shallow stable layer. You can see those layers right here, those striations. That's indicative of the storm battling some low-level stable air. Here you can see the border crossing station going into Saskatchewan right there. So this storm is heading toward the border crossing, but it does look like mainly strong, damaging winds. Maybe a hail threat could be possible with this storm before it lifts into far southeastern Saskatchewan and eventually heads over to southwestern Manitoba. I do think that there's a more conditional chance for more significant severe weather down in central and southern North Dakota. That's along an outflow boundary that was left behind by storms last night, and it looks like extreme instability could develop along that outflow boundary. And if a storm can develop, it'll take full advantage of those ingredients, and all hazards will be possible down there, including a tornado threat evolving especially to the east of the Bismarck area.